Sheesh. So we're back with another review. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it, right? Another big box from the Nike crew. I don't even know what these could even be. Because like I said in my previous video, guys, you know we've been catching mad L's recently, and it's fucking pissing me off, man. The L's have been catching, so I don't even know. You know, the guys tell me the L's that the L's that we get, they would don't tell me about the W's, right? Standard. But hey, we move on. Oh, okay, Mr. LeBron James, 2020-2021, just do it. So I'm trying to, I don't want to look at the tag, right? I'm just trying to figure it out. Engineered to the exact specification of LeBron James. Okay, that's all good. It's got the king on there. You know how he loves to call himself the king. Okay, I know what it is. I don't know. So here we are. White bright, crimson, black. I still don't know what these are, guys. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Wait, are these Okay, now I'm with it. So, and you know what gave it away? You know what gave it away? I thought a putty cat. That is brilliant. Okay, so if you guys don't know by that, okay, yeah. These are banging. These are actually banging. So if you guys don't know, so obviously SpaceJam 2021 is out, and LeBron did the whole there's 5 trainers out now. He's got some crazy ass orangey ones, so if you've watched it, if you've seen the trailers, there's these trainers he's wearing as the cartoon character. They've actually developed them. It's brilliant, and they're going to be coming out sometime soon as well. They've got some Air Force Ones with the bunny rabbit girl chick on them, and these are the Sylvester and Tweety ones. And you know what, it just totally threw me off. I was like, okay, these are kind of cool. And even we're seeing here 2 squad, I didn't even think, it didn't even click into place. But it's actually brilliant. Let me take this out. So on the ones that says obviously I thought put it that, there's obviously Tweety tongue. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to see if we can get a little video of it closer for you. So that's brilliant. That's actually brilliant. And you got Tweety in there. I like these. I do. And if anything, it's only because it's Tweety and Sylvester, man. You know when you grow up on something and this just takes you back. And obviously here we've got the stupid Sylvester. No one likes Sylvester. But sometimes you just did want him to just eat Tweety up for good and not have grandma in there to rescue the little punk. So annoying. And he's got his claw there. Oh wow. So yeah, these are it. As you can see, man, I mean, I'm just happy about these because these are just really nice, man. They're really nice. I like these. Obviously there's some Bug Bunny ones, which I think are a bit naff. I'm not sure how many people dived in on those. There was loads of pair. There was Roadrunner and Coyote, and yeah. But these, I'm happy about these, man. These are really cool. And I think it's just about getting the foot on with these, yeah? There's no point going on. Let's get the foot on. So what do you think? Man, I like them. I absolutely like them. I'm gonna cop a pair. I really am, because They're just cool, man. They just take me back. And listen, it'll be one of them. I probably won't even wear it. Literally, it will just be on the shelf with a whole load of pairs. But I'll just be like, now I got a pair of Sylvester and Tweety. It's just like, come on, man, come on. With LeBron James, yeah. I don't know, man. Back to the movie. I'm kind of disappointed that they felt they had to do another one. You know, because obviously, you know, one of my idols is Michael Jordan, right? Namesake only. And it's just, you know, LeBron and King and I mean, I have, you know what I'm talking about. I haven't even seen the first one. Never mind trying to see the second one. So I think I have to see the first one and then I'll probably go with the second one. But anyway, guys, what do I think about it? I like them, man. I like them. They're completely different to a usual pair. They're kind of crazy, kind of funky. But look, stay tuned for those crazy orange pair that he's going to release, and if we can cop them, guys, we'll be reviewing them for sure. But anyway, so would I cop these? Definitely, man. I want to cop them. If anyone feels me, you know, put a note down at the bottom there. That's how I feel about it. I'm just excited that we've managed to review it, and hopefully I can go and cop them. I still think they're available on retail. Not doing no reseller. You know how I am. They're good on the feet. The standard LeBron fit. Feels good. Feels cushiony. And definitely worth a cop, man. Definitely worth a cop. But leave the Bugs Bunny one and just get these ones. Okay, guys. Speak soon.